Another reaction given by alkenes is ozonolysis. In this reaction, an alkene reacts with ozone to give an ozonide, which on reaction with zinc and water gives aldehydes or ketones. For example, ethane reacts with ozone O3 to give an ozonide. You can see how an ozonide is formed. This ozonide formed on reaction with the zinc and water gives methanol as final product. Another example, consider propene. Propene reacts with ozone. Addition of ozone takes place across the carbon-carbon double bond. You can see the structure of ozonide. This ozonide on further reaction with zinc and water gives a mixture of ethanol and methanol. 2-methylpropane reacts with ozone to give an ozonide, which on further reaction with zinc and water gives propanol and methanol as products. Ozonolysis is found to be useful in detecting the position of double bond. For example, if the products obtained are ethanol and methanol, the original alkene will be CH3CH double bond CH2, which is propene. Alkenes undergo polymerization reaction. For example, a large number of molecules of ethene polymerize under high temperature and pressure and in the presence of a catalyst to give the polymer polythene. Similarly, a large number of molecules of propene polymerize under high temperature and pressure and in the presence of a catalyst to give the polymer polypropene. Next, we shall learn about alkynes. General formula is CnH2n-2. Different members are ethyne, also known as acetylene, propyne, butane, pentyne, and so on. Molecular formula of ethyne is C2H2, propyne C3H4, butane C4H6, pentyne C5H8. Alkynes exhibit isomerism. They exhibit chain and position isomerism. For example, consider pent1-ine, pent2-ine and 3-methyl-but1-ine. All these compounds have the same molecular formula C5H8, but the structures are different. Now consider pent1-ine and pent2-ine. The difference in structure is due to the difference in the position of the triple bond. So pent1-ine and pent2-ine are position isomers. Next, consider pent1-ine and 3-methyl-but1-ine. The difference in structure is due to the difference in the number of carbon atoms forming the longest chain. So pent1-ine and 3-methyl-but1-ine are chain isomers. Similarly, pent2-ine and 3-methyl-but1-ine are chain isomers. Now consider the structure of triple bond. Consider ethyne C2H2, that is CH triple bond CH. In ethyne, each carbon atom is under sp hybridized state. Carbon sigma bond is formed by the overlap of the sp hybrid orbital of one carbon with the sp hybrid orbital of the other carbon atom. CH sigma bond is formed by the overlap of the sp hybrid orbital of carbon with the s orbital of hydrogen. We know that triple bond is made up of one sigma bond and two pi bonds. Here the two pi bonds are formed by the sideways overlap of the 2px orbital of one carbon with the 2px orbital of the other carbon atom, and the next pi bond is formed by the sideways overlap of the 2py orbital of one carbon atom with the 2py orbital of the other carbon atom. Next, we shall discuss different methods of preparation of alkynes. First, let us see how ethyne is prepared from calcium carbide. Hydrolysis or reaction of calcium carbide with water gives calcium hydroxide and ethyne. Calcium carbide is in turn obtained by the reaction of calcium oxide with carbon. CaO plus C gives calcium carbide CaC2 plus carbon monoxide. Calcium oxide is obtained by the decomposition of calcium carbonate, which is also known as limestone. So limestone on decomposition gives calcium oxide, which then reacts with carbon to give calcium carbide. Reaction of calcium carbide with water gives ethyne C2H2. Ethine can also be obtained from vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides on treatment with alcoholic potassium hydroxide undergo dehydrohalogenation. One molecule of hydrogen halide is eliminated to form alkenyl halide, which on treatment with sodamide gives alkyne. Now consider the example given here, which is 1,2-dibromoethane. It is a vicinal dihalide. When treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it eliminates a molecule of potassium bromide and water, and thus an alkenyl halide is obtained. This on treatment with sodamide NaNH2 eliminates sodium bromide and ammonia, and thus produces ethine, which is C2H2.